question number 13 is, which expression is equivalent to 4 over 4x minus 5 minus 1 over x plus 1? So we have to solve this and check which option is correct. Okay, before solving this question, let's see how we solve fractions by butterfly method when it's not easy to make the denominator same. So we have derived kind of a shortcut, which is butterfly method. Numerator of first is multiplied with the denominator of second. So 2 times 7 plus this numerator is multiplied with the denominator of the other side. 3 times 3 over denominators are multiplied together. 3 times 7. So this is the butterfly method. We can solve it further. So if I just apply this butterfly method over here, so this 4 is to be multiplied with x plus 1, 4 x plus 1, then negative sign, and this 4x minus 5 is to be multiplied with 1. And for denominator, both the denominators are multiplied together. You have to learn this sequence, right? Numerator with the denominator of second, this numerator with the denominator of second, and for denominator you have to multiply the two denominators together. Now let's solve it further. This part, let's apply distributive property. So 4 is to be multiplied with x as well as 4 is to be multiplied with 1. So 4x plus 4 ones are 4. Now negative 1 is to be multiplied with 4x as well as with negative 5. So negative 1 times 4x is negative 4x, and negative 1 times negative 5 is plus 5 over 4x minus 5 and x plus 1. And now this is plus 4x and this is minus 4x, so these are cancelled, and 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 over 4x minus 5 and x plus 1. Let's see, is there any option matching? Yes, this one. This sequence is opposite to the sequence we are getting. So we have to understand that if I do 3 times 4, this is 12. Or if I do 4 times 3, this is also 12. That is known as commutative property. That means in multiplication, order does not matter. So even if my answer is showing 4x minus 5 and x plus 1 and option A has opposite order, so because multiplication is commutative and we are just multiplying the two, so I can just reverse the sequence. So A is the correct option.